Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Gmail. Access email on any device step by step clearly. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are on a computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. On the Gmail sign-in page, click the field that says email or phone. Type your Google email address, such as your name at gmail.com, and click Next. Now click the password field and type your password carefully. Click Next to sign in to your Gmail inbox. If you see a page asking for verification, follow the on-screen steps to confirm it is you. If you use two-step verification, enter the code sent to your phone or approve the sign-in request. If you are using a shared computer, do not check the box that says Stay signed in. If you want faster access on your own computer, you can bookmark gmail.com in your browser. To log in on an Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app from your home screen. If the Gmail app is not installed, open Google Play Store and install Gmail. In the Gmail app, tap your profile icon and choose Add another account. Select Google as the account type, then tap Continue if prompted. Enter your Gmail address and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next to sign in. Complete any verification steps if Google asks you to confirm your identity. To log in on an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store and install the Gmail app if needed. Open the Gmail app and tap Sign in or Add account. Choose Google, then enter your email address and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next, then complete any verification prompts. If you prefer Safari on iPhone, you can also go to gmail.com and sign in there. To switch between multiple Gmail accounts, tap your profile icon and select the account you want. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If you are signed in on a public device, always click your profile icon and choose Sign Out when finished. For extra security, enable two-step verification in your Google account settings. If Gmail does not load, refresh the page, check your connection, or try another browser or device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.